Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Nawada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today, this is our lecture number 8, and today we will discuss some problem of exercise 10. So see, question number 8 is saying, which of these following number is divisible by 6? So how can we test for divisibility by 6? Suppose there is a number 36 and we want to check it whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. How can we check it for divisibility by 6? The given number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. If any number is divisible by 2 as well as 3 both, then we can say that that number is divisible by 6. So first of all check if this number 36 is divisible by 2 and 3 both or not. Is it divisible by 2? How to check divisibility by 2? If in the units digit there is an even number, okay? And if in the unit digit, either if you find 0, 2, 4, 8, if any of this, then that number will be divisible by 2. So yes, it is divisible by 36 is divisible by 2. If check if it is divisible by 3 or not. So how will you check it? Divisibility by 3. If the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then we can say that that given number is divisible by 3. So what is the sum of the digits? 6 plus 3 is 9. So is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. 9 is divisible by 3. So 36 will also be divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So therefore it is divisible by 6 also. You can take another example, 333. So now check for this number if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both or not. So is it divisible by 2? No, because in the unit set there is 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Since this number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, so therefore 333 will not be divisible by 6. In this way you will check out for the divisibility by 6. Now let us take another example. See question number 9. In question number 9, you have to check this number 129. 129 is divisible by 12 or not? Is divisible by 12 or not? So for divisibility by 12, you have to check whether, because 12 we know that 4 3 are 12. So for divisibility by 12, that given number should be divisible by 4 as well as and 3 both. If any number is divisible by 4 and 3 both, then we can say that that is divisible by 12 also. So now check if it is divisible by 3 and 4. Is this number divisible by 3? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 9, 12. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Is this number divisible by 4? No. What is the rule for divisibility by 4? Last two digits. The last two digits should be divisible by 4. So last two digits is 29. Since 29 is not divisible by 4, so that number is not divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 3 and 4 both. So we can say that it is not divisible by 12. Now let's take another example. 4896. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 12 or not. We have to check this number. Now check, is it divisible by 3 and 4 both? Now check whether it is divisible by 3. How to check divisibility by 3? 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21 and 21 plus 6 is 27. So 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9 is 27. So therefore this number will be divisible by 3. Now check if it is divisible by 4 or not. What is the rule? Last two digit. See the last. What is the last two digit? 96. Is 96 divisible by 4? 4 2s are 8. 1 and 6. 4 4s are 16. Yes, it is divisible by 4. So this number will also be divisible by 4. Since this number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, so we can say that this is divisible by 12 also. In this way you will check it. Now see, question number 10. We have to check this number is divisible by 15 or not. So for divisibility by 15, what is the rule? We know 3 5 is 15. So to be divisible by 15, that number should be divisible by 3 and 5 both. 3 and 5 both. If any number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then we can say that it is also divisible by 15. So now check for 3 and 5. Is it divisible by 3? Sum of the digit 9 plus 8. What is 9 plus 8? 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. So what is the rule? And is it divisible by 5? So what is the rule for checking divisibility by 5? The last digit should be either 0 or 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5. Since this number is not divisible by both 3 and 5, so it is also not divisible by 15. Now check for another number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Check for this. Is it divisible by 3 and 5? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Yes, it is divisible by 15 because 15 is divisible by 3. And what is it divisible by 5? Yes, since the last digit is 0, it is also divisible by 5. Since this number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then we can say that it is divisible by 15 also. In this way you will solve this type of question. Now see question number 11. In question number 11, we have to check 1540 whether this number is divisible by 4, 5 and 11. 4, 5 and 11. Now 4, 5 and 11. We have to check. Now what is the rule for checking 4? Last two digits. See the last two digits is 40. Is 40 divisible by 4? Yes. 4 times are 40. Since the last two digits is divisible by 4, so this number will be divisible by 4. Check for divisibility by 5. Since the last see the last digit is 0. So therefore it will be divisible by 5. What is the rule for 11? The rule for 11 is 1540. This is the digit at first place. This is the digit at second place. This is digit at third place, and this is the digit at fourth place. Now, what are the these two digits are the digits at even place, and these two digits are digits at odd places. So add them. What is the sum of digits at odd places? Sum of the digits at odd places. Sum of digits at odd places equals at odd places 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4 equals 5, and sum of digits at even places is 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is again 5. So what is the difference? Difference is here the sum is 5 and here also the sum is 5. So what is the difference? Difference is 5 minus 5 is 0. So the difference of sum of the digit at odd places and even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. then we can say that this is divisible by 11 also. So this is divisible by all three of them. So question number C, question number 13b. Here 3 1. Here we have to find what is the smallest digit we can write here so that this number will be divisible by 3. Now for divisibility by 3, some of the digits should be divisible by 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 4 plus, can I use 0? No. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is, I can use 2. I can use 4 plus 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, let me write it like this. 3 plus 1 plus, I don't know the digit. So the digit is from 0 to 9. No. So start putting 0. 3 plus 1, you can put 1. 3 plus 1 plus, you can put 2. 3 plus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1 plus 4. 3 plus 1 plus 5. 3 plus 1 plus 6. 3 plus 1 plus 7. 3 plus 1 plus 8. And 3 plus 1 plus, okay, 3 plus 1 plus 9. So what you are getting? 3 plus 1. Here you are getting 4. Here you are getting 3 plus 1. अच्छा 5. Here you are getting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So which number is divisible by 3? This is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3, and 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, only these two, and also 9 is divisible by 3. So you are putting, if you put 2, 5 and 8, then only it will be divisible by 3. So what is the smallest digit you can put so that this number will be divisible by 3? So out of 2, 5 and 8, what is the smallest? 2 is the smallest. So 2 is the answer. In this way you will solve this type of question. So students, your today's homework will be exercise 10. SW will be exercise 10, 8 to 14. Okay, solve it, and thanks for watching the video.